fake snow, huh? Sled down the hill in the wind's backyard. Here we go. Whee! Have fun? Here we go. Here we go. Wow. Not very slippery with two of you.
Like this, Mom. This, Mom, get on.
Get on, Aaron.
Aaron, get on. Throw back here. Oh.
She's trying. Here, you gotta pick her up and put her on your lap.
Okay. Wait, Aaron. Wait. I'll put you on my lap.
Put you on my lap. Woo!
Where now?
That fun?
Oh! Yeah!
Oh, don't put your hand in it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Woo! Who needs snow? Boy, we don't need any snow here.
Oh.
Whoa.
Mommy, I want to.
Okay, you try it.
This.
Okay.
No.
Going by yourself?
It's dog poop.
No, it's not. Go. Ready? Set. Woo! It's going to try to go down on its feet. It's going to be brave.